Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll guide you through how to add 1,000 to 5,000 members on WhatsApp. And want to add more people on WhatsApp. 1,000 to 5,000 on WhatsApp. Can you watch the channel to the end so that you not mix any steps or any information? If you're new to the channel, can you subscribe? So when you launch your WhatsApp like this, then you see you have chat, update, and community and course. So you go to community. Our motive is to add 1,000 to 5,000 members on WhatsApp groups or WhatsApp group. Yes. So when you go to community like this, you see new community. You click on this. You see down there, you see get started. So you click on get started. You click on it. When you click on get started, it will bring you here. Here you give the name of the group. You type the name. So let me type the name. BA groups, or whatever, any group that you want to give to them, or the name that you want to give to the group. You click, and here you can write something. So you see change photo. So you click on it. It will change for whatever. So you click on the arrow. So it is creating the group. Here, when you finish, you see here, you see general. You can add members on general. You can add member. You can see add member. So you go to your contact, you add a member. But here, you see announcement. So you click announcement. You click there. So this is the main community page, or this is the main page. So on the page, you click on the profile there. Here you see invite. So you can invite people. You see add member or add group. You can add different group to it. You can add different group. You can add a member. You can invite people. So here you can add more than 1,000 to 5,000 in one group or WhatsApp group. And here you see the camera there. You can click here to change the distance, the DP or the. So if you want to change, you can change. So let me use this. Good. So you can use the camera there to change the group icon. So you click here. Yes. So you can add people. So you can add more than 1,000 to 5,000 in the group. You can add individual. You can add a group to it. So this is how to add 1,000 to 5,000 in a WhatsApp group. Can you subscribe to my channel? Bye bye.